Hello students. Now today we discuss the integration. In integration using the trigonometric identities. Integration using the trigonometric identities. Sum of the integral given in the form of trigonometric function need to be simplified. After the simplification, some integrals given in the form of trigonometric function used to be simplified. After simplification, they are converted into such form which can be directly integrated by using the simplest integrals. Trigonometric identities are highly useful. Trigonometric identities are highly useful in simplification of these functions. Now we use some trigonometric identities like sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. Sin a plus b, sin a minus b, sin a plus b equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Now similarly as sin a minus b, cos a plus b and cos a minus b, tan a plus b and tan a minus b. And the other trigonometric identities like the sin 2a in terms of tan, tan 2a in terms of tan and cos 2a in terms of tan. So the cos 2a in the terms of cos and sin, all are the trigonometric identities are used to simplify the integrals. Clear? Now see the question. Integral of sin square, integral of sin square 2x plus 5 dx, 2x plus 5 dx, 2x plus 5 dx. Let us suppose that 2x plus 5 equal to t. 2x plus 5 equal to t. And now we differentiate this function with respect to x. So 2x to dx equal to dt and dx equal to 1 by 2 dt. Substitutes the integral sin square t 1 by 2 dt and sin square t equal to 1 minus cos 2t upon 2. Sin square t equal to 1 minus cos 2t upon 2. This is the trigonometric identity. Now we use this identity in the given integrals as 1 by 2 1 minus cos 2t upon 2 dt and 1 by 4 1 dt minus 1 by 4 cos 2t dt. After that we find the integral 1 by 4t minus 1 upon 4 sin 2t upon 2 plus c, that's equal to 1 upon 4 2x plus 5 minus 1 upon 8 sin 4x plus 10 plus c. This is the required result of the given integration. This is the required result of the given integration. Clear? Next question. Next question, cos 2x, integral of cos 2x, cos 4x and cos 6x. Integral of cos 2x, cos 4x, cos 6x dx. In such question, we multiply by 2 and divide by 2, or we multiply 2 numerator and denominator. It can be written as 1 upon 2 integral of 2 cos 2x cos 4x and cos 6x dx. 2 cos 2x cos 4x. This is the identity of cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d. Now it can be written as cos 6x plus cos 2x, cos 6x dx, cos 6x cos 6x dx, and the multiply 1 by 2 cos square 6x plus cos 2x cos 6x dx, cos 6x dx. Therefore cos square x cos square 6x changed. And now we separate the part of integrals 1/2 1 plus cos 12x upon 2 dx plus 1/2 integral of cos 2x cos 6x dx. Cos 2x cos 6x dx. Cos 2x dx we multiply 2 and 1/2. So it can be written as 1/4 1 plus cos 12x dx plus 1/4 cos 8x plus cos 4x dx. Clear? 1/4 1 plus cos square 12x dx plus 1/4 cos 8x plus cos 4x. Clear? Now erase it. Integral 1/4 dx plus 1/4 cos 12x dx 12x dx plus 1/4 cos 8x dx plus 1/4 cos 4x dx. Now 1/4 as common and x plus sin 12x upon 12 plus sin 8x upon 8 plus sin 4x upon 4 plus c plus c. It is clear. Now this is way to the solution of the given question. Next question, integral of sin cube x and cos cube x dx. Integral of sin cube x cos cube x dx. Now cos cube x sin square x sin x dx. cos cube x 1 minus cos square x sin x dx. Let us suppose that sin x equal to t. Cos x is equal to t. Cos x equal to t. Cos x is equal to t minus sin x dx is equal to dt and minus t cube 1 minus t square dt minus t cube t power 5 dt, that's equal to minus t power 4 by 4 plus t power 6 by 6 plus c, that's equal to cos power 4 minus cos power 4x by 4 plus cos power 6x by 6 plus c. Clear? This is the integration of following function. Now the next question number integral of sin power 4x. Integral of sin power 4x dx. It can be written as sin square x whole square dx and sin square x 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 whole square dx. Integral of 1 plus cos square 2x minus 2 cos 2x upon 4 dx. Clear? 1 upon integral of 1 upon 4 dx minus 1 upon 4 1 upon 2 cos 2x dx plus 1 upon 4 cos square 2x dx. Cos square 2x dx. Cos square 2x dx, it can be written as 1 by 4 dx minus 1 by 2 cos 2x dx plus 1 by 4 1 plus cos 4x upon 2 dx. Upon 2 dx 1 by 4 dx minus 1 by 2 cos 2x dx plus 1 by 8 dx plus 1 by 8 cos 4x dx and integrate x by 4 sin 2x upon 4 plus x by 8 sin 4x upon 32 plus c 3x by 8 minus sin 2x by 4 plus sin 4x upon 32 plus c. This is way to the solution of given integration. Clear? Now thank you for the solution.